Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. I received new equipment from Dragonhawk. And this is the new Tattoo Machine Fold Pro. My channel has already reviewed the Fold Pro tattoo machines, but this is a new version. Let me tell you a little about its features. Mast Labs chip advanced battery management technology for faster charging and longer lasting performance. M-Core C3 motor designed for smooth precise strokes and balance between lining and shading work. 3000 mAh battery capacity, 2 hours charger time and 10 hours working time. What's included in the kit? Tattoo machine. While I unpack, you will see all the necessary information on the screen. RCA cable. To Type-C cables. RCA adapter. Another extra battery. And one more grip. Let's turn it on. This tattoo machine has a touchscreen. There are also different modes of operation. Now let's compare all three versions of the Fold Pro. The new third version of this machine is more powerful than the others. As you can see, the new version is the longest. And of course, all parts are interchangeable. Write in the comments what you think about these Tattoo Machines Fold Pro, and which of these versions do you like the most. Thanks to Dragonhawk for this tattoo machine. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.